Welcome back to Robot Cantina. Now, as most of you know, it's mid-January and we haven't released a single video yet. Yeah, I know, it's been a while. Well, despite our best efforts to stay on schedule, we hit a snag, a bump in the road if you will. You know, life happens. Well, more specifically, the snafu we encountered was due to a tiny piece of paper that pretty much halted our jump to the new headquarters. The good news is, the situation is in the process of being resolved and we expect to be back on schedule soon. We're excited to continue modifying our street legal go-kart and are toying with the idea of getting a few more project vehicles. Now, I already have a few in mind and I've even located them, but we'll save that for another video. The small engine dyno we used in the first few videos will be making a comeback, and this time around I'll show you folks how it actually works. It's a pretty clever design. As a matter of fact, I shared the design with the producer of a popular TV series, and you may see a version of the dyno on a major Hollywood production sometime in the future, and that's pretty cool. So I do get a lot of suggestions on what kind of engines we should be experimenting with. So far we played around with the 212cc Predator, the 420cc Predator, and the next one we plan on trying is the 670V twin engine. Now realistically, none of these engines are ideal for a car, but that's half the fun. As it is, the 420cc engine with its original carburetor actually did pretty well, all things considered. Of course, there are better engines to use in the grand scheme of things, and perhaps we'll explore some of them. I do have a soft spot for the Kubota Z482. Now that's a 2-cylinder diesel engine that makes about 12 horsepower. Anyway, that's another engine we'll likely get into. I think rolling coal and a Honda Insight would be epic. Inevitably, I seem to trigger some folks when I make fun of Hondas or Fords, and it's all in good fun. As a matter of fact, the folks in the Dodge community seem to take it well, and I suspect being made fun of on a regular basis is normal for them. Relax, I'm just kidding. Anyway, I think I'll end it here, and I'll look forward to bringing you new content soon. Until next time.